Namaskar, this is Dr. Reena Pathak with the Thursday video. Today I wanted to talk about light. Light, as you know, is a term that we use in many ways. But the object which gives the light, when we use it in that particular manner, the word that we use for explaining that display of light or dispersal of light is always different. Like a candle or a particular wick which is burning, we'll call the light is flickering. That time we say the light is flickering when it is from a candle. When it is from a lamp or a lantern, we say the light is glowing because the glow is there. When it is because of the thunder and lightning, that time we say the light is flashing because the thunder and lightning goes, even in the diagrams that you draw, it's a flashing kind of diagram that you draw. When it is from a torch, because it is in a beam, so it is the light is beaming. It goes the doctor's torch or the torches that you use in the dark or the mobile torch. You see, it's like a beam. So it's a ray of light. So we say the light is beaming. And when we talk about the jugnus in English are the glowworms. When we talk about them, then we say their light is glimmering. It is glimmering, it's shining. In the darkness, there are small shiny stars which are visible because of those glowworms. When we talk about the crackers, in Diwali we use the crackers. So that time, when those crackers like the chakri or the anar that you say, agar usko hum jalate hain, then we say the light is sparkling. Now there is a difference in the light of the dawn and the dusk. Dawn means Ushakal, the Prabhat Kal that we have in the morning, early morning, and dusk is the late evening, the Godoli time in the evening. In the dawn we say the light is radiant, it is very bright and it is dispersing. If you draw a scenery also, you see you will draw the sun blazing and the sun rising and it is all radiant. Whereas when we talk about the dusk, we always say the light is shimmering. On water, if you see, that shine comes during the dusk. So the setting of the sun, and on water that reflection is visible, that is called the light is shimmering. Now when we talk about a fire or a bonfire, then we say light is blazing, because the more the sticks, the dry twigs you put to the fire, it blazes. It goes very wide. So the light is blazing. I hope you did like this video on light. If you know any other form by which light can be expressed, please do mention in the comments. I'll wait for them eagerly. Let's have some group learning and let's enjoy the learning process, and let it never be rote learning or memorization. Thank you. Take care and see you next Thursday and Saturday, of course, for the shorts.